This is the Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now, the futures just opened up here about 30 minutes ago here at 6 o'clock. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, we just opened up, so what we want to do is let's look at the upside. We want to look at Friday's high, okay? So that is sitting at $80.71. That is going to be the target. If you can close above that, then we just look right to the left of these candles. So you want to look at the top of this candle here. This is 81.24. Right here, you got 81.52. Then we look to the bottom of this candle here. You have 81.76, the bottom of this candle, 82.11. Then we look to the top of this candle here, 82.71. We have 83.12. You have 83.44. And then your big retest up here is 83.53. That is going to be your big target. See how easy it is? So what you always want to do is look to the top and the bottom of the candles and the closing on those candles. That is going to be your support and resistance levels. All right, so let's just take a look here on the downside. So what we want to watch here is we have 79.90. That would be the top of this candle right here. Now, if that is lost, then we want to look to Friday's low. Okay, Friday's low there is sitting at 79.07. Then we look here to this 8-day, you're looking at 78.83. Now, if that is key support, if that is lost, then we just follow these candles right on down here. Okay, so what we have here is you got 78.55, we have 78.29, and then we look to the top of this candle right here, and we have 77.33. Then we look to your 200 SMA sitting at 76.92. Now, your key support levels are always these SMAs. So you want to look at the 8 SMA, that's going to be very critical, and this 200 SMA, very, very critical. If that's lost, then we look down here, 75.22. We look at this 100 SMA here, 73.75, and then right below is 72.84. Okay, so watch this 8A SMA here. See how the candles are all above, following up really nice. That's always good. See, when you look to the left of the chart here, when the candles are below, not so good. Because see what we had here? It came down, tried to rally up right into the 8-day. That's a bear flag. Down again, where to rally up? Another bear flag right into the 8-day. Okay, so you got to be very, very cautious. This 8-day is key, and so is the 21-day. But this is a very bullish pattern. See how the 8-day now is above all the SMAs. Your 21 here is above your 50, your 100, and she's headed right for that 200 SMA. Now remember, OPEC meeting is here on August 4th. Okay, you want to be long into that meeting. You have no idea what they are going to say or what they're going to do. They need to either cut production or do something. They need to maintain these prices at these kind of a levels here. Plus now we're started getting into hurricane season here. Disruption. That's all bullish for crude. Okay. Very bad for people, but bullish for crude if you're a trader and if you're long. But if you're short, watch these key levels right here. That is all going to be the key. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly chart. Okay, your monthly chart, first of all, looking very, very good. See the 8-day? 75.90. Your price clearly above it. Right below that, 200-day, 72.82. Price clearly above it. And then we have your 50-day here, 66.62, right above it. Now your target is what? Right there, 83.53. If you can get above, then we go to this key 21 sitting at 85.42, which lines up very nicely here on your weekly chart. Look at the 100 SMA, 85.35. Okay, so you got 85.35. That's your big target here. Your 21-day lines up nicely, 85.42. How sweet is that? Okay, now what we want to do is we want to look here on your downside. Now, you want to watch this key 50 SMA that's sitting at 78.42. Very, very key support. Now, if you look at this 8-day, if you've been watching my videos, you always know that I always kid with this 8-day. See how it went up? Couldn't get through. Up, couldn't get through. Up, couldn't get through. Now look at this bullish cross. Okay, your 8-day is above your 21-day, and giddy up. That is exactly what you're looking for if you're looking for higher prices. So now you want to look at that. If that 50 SMA here is lost, now we look for this 8 SMA here. This is going to be your key support at 74.82, and then right below that is 74.10. But you have the nice bullish cross, very, very positive here. RSI, plenty of room to run. MACD, you got a nice crossover, very nice. And on your monthly chart here, your RSI crossing right on up, very, very nice. This is starting to curl back over, very, very good. Okay, so this is very, very bullish. The charts are breaking out here. Your target here is going to be this 83.53, which is this high. Now, again, if that breaks above, you got your 100-day here, which lines up with your 21-day. And then if it's above that, then we start to look at all these candles right here. So then you're looking at 89.84 here. You can go 93.74. So there is plenty of room to run if it can break above this key price channel level here and maintain these key support levels. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas, here's your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, you can see how you put a series of lower highs. That's never good. However, 2.55, that's your bottom. Retest, 2.56, sweet double bottom, going higher. Now the key is going to be this 2.68. But first of all, you got to get above this 100 SMA here. Okay, this is sitting at 2.66. You got to get above 2.67. That's your 200-day. Your retest is 2.685. If you can get above that candle there, then we just start rolling right back up here all the way to another big retest here of 2.76. Okay, on your 4-hour, see this series, lower highs. Never good. Okay, so what you want to do on the downside is you want to watch this key level here. That's the 200-day. That's sitting at 2.64. And then on the upside, your key level here is going to be this 50-day at 2.67. And then you have your retest at 2.75. If you can get above, then we just look at the candles right up there. Okay, 2.767. And then we have 2.78. And then you got your retest up there at 2.788. Okay, let's take a look here on a daily. See, you have your daily chart there. On the left here, there was your left shoulder, your head, and then your right shoulder. It came right on down. Same way with here. Your left shoulder, your head, right shoulder, sold right off. And look at all the sideways action. Just an absolute nothing burger going on here, okay? Scalps, absolutely. But say I'm going all balls out long or balls out short, not going to happen. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have sideways action here, okay? We had 4 days down, 3 days up, 2 days down, kind of and then 2 days down, and then we'll see what we have here. Okay, so if you look at these price channels here, the bottom price channel has been rising on up from 1.946 all the way to 2.48. That's always good. But now if you look at your top of your price channel, it went from this key level here at 2.87 all the way down here now to 2.82. Okay, so this is squeezing real sharp. Okay, and all your SMAs here, just nothing here. Okay, so what we want to do is you want to look at this 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.65. You want to look at your 8 SMA. You're looking at 2.67. That's going to be your resistance levels. If you can get above, you just follow these candles all the way on up. 2.73 here. You got 2.78. We've got here 2.79. You got 2.82. And then we have your 2.87. The key is you got to get over this price channel here at 2.82 to hit the 2.87. And then if you can get above, look to the left here. There's your target, 3.027. That's basically what you got. On the downside here, what you want to do is you want to watch this 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.53. And then you want to watch your price channel there at 2.48. And then the old Hondo there sitting at 2.39. But right now, it's just sideways action. For me, the same thing I've been telling you all the time. I scalp Boyle, B-O-I-L for the long, sometimes U-N-G for the long, and K-O-L-D for the short. On natural gas, I am in and out that same day. I do not hold this overnight. Crude oil is a way better trade. You can buy the crude. You can buy the dips. You can run it up until she tops out. Crude is a way better trade. All right. So that's what we got for you here tonight. I will be back tomorrow morning, as usual, before 8 o'clock. And we will review crude oil and natural gas, and we'll get you all set up for the day. Thanks for watching.